In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a question that would haunt humanity for decades: if the universe is 13.8 billion years old and contains over 2 trillion galaxies, where is everybody? This isn't just curiosity, it's a cosmic mystery that suggests something terrifying might be lurking in the darkness between stars. Picture this: you're at a massive party with 400 billion rooms, but when you arrive, you're completely alone. That's Earth's situation in the Milky Way. With an estimated 400 billion stars in our galaxy alone, and roughly 40 billion Earth-like planets in habitable zones, the mathematical probability of alien life should be virtually guaranteed. Yet after 70 years of searching, we've found nothing. Not a single radio signal, not one ancient artifact, not even microbial evidence on Mars. Enrico Fermi wasn't just any scientist, he was the man who helped create the atomic bomb. During a casual lunch at Los Alamos in 1950, while discussing UFO reports, he suddenly blurted out, "Where is everybody?" His colleagues fell silent. They realized that with just basic space travel technology, any civilization could colonize the entire galaxy in merely 5 to 10 million years. That's a cosmic blink of an eye. So if aliens exist, they should be everywhere by now. The Drake equation, formulated by astronomer Frank Drake in 1961, attempts to quantify this mystery. When you plug in conservative numbers, just 1 in every 10,000 habitable planets develops life, and only 1 in 10,000 of those becomes intelligent, you still get thousands of civilizations in our galaxy alone. Even if 99.9% of them destroy themselves, hundreds should remain. The math is inescapable: we should not be alone. But here's where it gets disturbing. In 1996, economist Robin Hanson proposed the Great Filter, a catastrophic event that prevents life from reaching interstellar civilization. The terrifying question is, are we approaching this filter, or have we already passed it? If complex life is the filter, we're safe. But if the filter lies ahead, perhaps nuclear war, climate collapse, or artificial intelligence, then every advanced civilization destroys itself before reaching the stars. Consider the WOW signal, the most compelling evidence we've ever detected. On August 15, 1977, at exactly 10:16 p.m., Ohio State's Big Ear radio telescope received a 72-second transmission that was 30 times stronger than background radiation. Astronomer Jerry Emmon was so shocked he wrote "Wow" in red ink on the printout. The signal came from the direction of Sagittarius, 120 light-years away, and has never been detected again despite decades of searching. Perhaps they're already here, watching us like we're animals in a zoo. The zoo hypothesis suggests that advanced civilizations deliberately avoid contact, maintaining a cosmic quarantine around primitive species like us. Think about it: when did you last try to negotiate a peace treaty with an ant colony? To a civilization millions of years ahead of us, we might appear equally insignificant. They could be observing us from spacecraft we can't detect, waiting for us to mature. The numbers become even more staggering when we consider cosmic time scales. If Earth-like planets formed just 1 billion years before Earth did, those civilizations would have a 1 billion-year head start on us. Imagine human technology advancing for another billion years, we'd be indistinguishable from gods. These beings could manipulate matter at the quantum level, harness the energy of entire stars, or exist as pure consciousness in digital realms we can't comprehend. Recent discoveries make the silence even more puzzling. NASA's Kepler mission identified over 4,000 confirmed exoplanets, with an estimated 300 million potentially habitable worlds in our galaxy alone. Proxima Centauri b, just 4.2 light-years away, sits perfectly in its star's habitable zone. TRAPPIST-1 hosts 7 Earth-sized planets. Each discovery should increase our chances of finding life, yet the cosmic silence only grows more deafening. The dark forest theory, popularized by Chinese science fiction author Liu Cixin, offers a chilling explanation. Perhaps the universe is like a dark forest where every civilization is a hidden hunter. Any civilization that reveals its location gets immediately destroyed by others who view all unknown life as a potential threat. In this scenario, survival depends on absolute silence. Broadcasting our existence, as we've been doing for 100 years, might be the universe's most dangerous mistake. SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, has been actively listening since 1984. Their computers process 300 million radio frequency observations daily, searching through cosmic noise for artificial patterns. The Allen Telescope Array, funded by Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen, expanded this search exponentially. Yet after analyzing petabytes of data from millions of star systems, they found nothing but natural cosmic phenomena. The silence is statistically impossible, unless something is fundamentally wrong with our assumptions. Recent UAP, unidentified aerial phenomena, disclosures by the U.S. military add another layer to this mystery. In 2020, the Pentagon officially released 3 videos showing objects performing maneuvers that defy known physics, 90-degree turns at supersonic speeds without deceleration. Former Navy pilot David Fravor described encounters with craft that could drop from 80,000 feet to sea level in under a second. Are these evidence of alien visitation, or something even stranger? The most unsettling possibility is that we're living in a cosmic graveyard. Perhaps the universe was once teeming with civilizations, but something, a gamma-ray burst, a rogue artificial intelligence, or a physics experiment gone wrong, wiped them all out. We might be among the first intelligent species to evolve after a galactic extinction event, inheriting a universe full of dead worlds and silent ruins, forever wondering why we seem to be alone in the vast darkness. Until we find them, or they find us, we remain cosmic orphans in an impossibly vast universe, carrying the weight of being potentially the only conscious beings capable of asking, where is everybody? The answer to that question might determine whether humanity has a future among the stars, or whether we're destined to become another entry in the universe's catalog of civilizations that once wondered if they were alone.